we have nice long sunny days. It'd be a balmy 65 degrees in the winter, and we be chilling and stuff. So I ain't trying to brag or whatever, but it is what it is. What up, it's your boy Mac the Outsole coming back with another video. So, before I even get into the video, you already know what I'm going to need you to do. I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, go ahead and leave your boy a thumbs up, because you know, let everybody know you like the video. Also, we all know this helps get the video out there, spread it around, get it on more feeds, and it's going to help the channel grow. Because like I told you, the goal for the year is to get 2,020 subs in 2020. Right now, we sitting at about 160. So look, we got a ways to go. So it is what it is. We got a ways to go. But again, I'm going to need your help to get it out there so we can get these subs up. Also, don't forget, follow your boy on Instagram, which is down here below. It'll also be in the description. Alright, so about today's shoe. I went ahead and copped this shoe on Wednesday. I think it was like the 19th, February 19th. It was a shoe that we had seen this past All-Star weekend. LeBron wore it in the second half of the All-Star game. The LeBron 17, Mr. Swackhammer. I think we had seen pictures of the shoe maybe a day or two before, maybe right around All-Star Friday or whatever. We had seen pictures of this shoe. And at the time of that, it seemed to be it was only going to be like a PE or a special edition or whatever for the shoe. It was like from what I remember seeing, I think it was like an alternate Monstars LeBron 17. So that's what we kind of thought. Then obviously in the All-Star game, LeBron wore the shoe, and then instantly, like the next morning or whatever, it might have been even that same night, the shoe was listed on Sneakers app. So I know a lot of us were in, sneaker groups or whatever, talking about, hey, picking up this shoe and so forth. But long story short, Wednesday came. I went ahead. I was on the way to work, so I was like, let me go ahead and just put my entry in. I honestly didn't think it was going to be that hard of a shoe to get. Because from what I figured, it was going to be just like a regular LeBron shoe. It'd sit there for a while. You pretty much had all day. Maybe the next few days to try to cop the shoe. I really didn't think it was going to, be crazy or be hard to get. You know what I'm saying? So I get to work and I finally check my phone. Because that's what I usually do if it's a weekday release or something where I'm going to be on the way to work. Like I mentioned before, these shoes and these things actually drop hella early here in the morning in the West Coast. Like, it's 7 o'clock in the morning when we're going through this. Like, everybody else, whatever time zone you in, it ain't 7 a.m. in the morning. We be on the way to work, or we be asleep. So, copping shoes out here in California ain't as easy as y'all think, because we want to sleep. Yo, we have nice, long, sunny days. It'd be a balmy 65 degrees in the winter. And we be chilling and stuff. So, I ain't trying to brag or whatever, but it is what it is. So, fast forward later that evening. Come to find out, somebody hit me up saying, man, are you going to sell your shoes or whatever? I was like, ain't nobody trying to buy these. I was like, first of all, I ain't really trying to move them because it's whatever. I want these for me. So I happened to pull up StockX, and this is the price I see on StockX. I'll throw a picture of it up here somewhere. And it's going for like almost $600. And I'm like, wait. I'm thinking, wait, what? This can't be real. A LeBron reselling this high? Something's not right. So come to find out, it looks like this shoe was hella limited. So when you get those words limited, it starts building up hype. And so everybody starts getting excited about the shoe. Oh, it's limited, so I gotta have it now. And that kind of shot up this little resale market for this shoe. And I ain't gonna hold you. If I can flip these for some off-white 5s, I might just go ahead and try to do that. We'll see. Anyway, that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother discussion. I'm gonna go ahead, pull out the shoe. Let me go ahead and get this box. We'll go ahead and get into the LeBron 17, Mr. Swackhammers. Alright, so we got the Nike box here, the Nike tape. Let's go ahead and cut through that real quick. So I can go ahead and get this open. Here we go. LeBron 17 box. Alright, so something I've noticed and a couple other videos out there, in shoe tube land. I noticed Nike hasn't been putting receipts in the box anymore. So yeah, Nike, I don't know what's going on with you not putting the receipts in the box anymore, but I noticed that in a couple other videos. I know on 1127 Kicks, he had a release from SNKRS that he got. Didn't get no receipt in the box. You know, I don't know what's going on, but we want our receipts just in case, you got the little, incidences or whatever. We got to take them back, but I'm not taking these back. Let's go ahead and read what's on the box here. Just a brief description of the actual shoe. It says LeBron 17 AS promo, which stands for All-Star promo, I can assume, because this, again, it was an All-Star release. The color spectrum, ghost green and laser blue. Size 12, because that's your boy's personal size. Retail price for the shoe, $225. Let's take a look here, give you that information. If it focuses, there you go. But here we go, the LeBron 17. This is the first time I've actually had a LeBron 17. So this is my first time looking at the box. Pretty standard box, LeBron, Roman numeral 17 in gold letters on the actual box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe. I bring you the LeBron 17 Mr. Swackhammer. Wow. Okay, LeBron. Alright. Okay, LeBron. Let me put the box down. Let me put the box down for a second. Alright, so again, here you go. The LeBron 17 Mr. Swackhammer. And again, this is like my first time really with a LeBron 17. The first thing I noticed is I picked these up at the store, so I knew they were light. But when you look at the shoe, you're thinking this is a bulky shoe. And it's far from that. It's pretty much an all Primeknit Upper, so you already know the material is real light. This is what I think they call this, like the knit posit back here in the back. It's real firm, but it's not like the foam posit where it's real stiff material. It's a knit posit, whatever that means, but that's what they're calling the material. All right, we'll go ahead and go to the outsole of the shoe. It's an all laser blue outsole here with the navy blue LeBron signature in the middle of the outsole. Now to the midsole, we have an air unit that goes about 270, kind of like on a Air Max 270. Definitely not as big. And there's little AirPod units here in the front of the shoe as well. I know that's something that they've been doing on LeBron's recently, is putting an air unit in the front of the shoe also. Back in the day, he had that one big bubble air unit that went all the way through the shoe. Now it's kind of more potted, where you have two air units in the front and then a big air unit bubble in the back of the shoe. LeBron's a big dude. He's a real sturdy athlete, so he needs a shoe that's gonna hold him down when he's on that court trying to get those triple doubles. That's what he's gonna need. Out to the upper of the shoe, for the most part, it's a Primeknit Upper with that knit posit back here in the back. That's kind of where all the colors are, is where the knit posit material, it kind of firms up here. It's real soft on the actual Primeknit Upper of the shoe. So I'm definitely thinking this shoe is definitely comfortable. Like I said, this is the first LeBron 17 I've actually had in hand like this. I've never worn a LeBron 17, so I can't tell you the pure comfort of the shoe. Somebody I know that wears a lot of LeBron 17s is JJ All Day. So if you want to go ahead and take a look, he has a real great descriptions of the LeBron 17, how it fits, how comfortable they are. Because he has quite a few pairs, so I'll go ahead and link his information down below in the description so you can check out his channel regarding the LeBron 17s. Looking at the shoe, this shoe is dope. Like it's everything I thought it was when I looked at it online when I first saw it. This ghost green color that they show here, or I don't know if you can really pick it up on camera, but in person, this ghost green really pops out. I also love how you have the Nike swoosh here in laser blue hitting against this, again, this ghost green, which is really dope. The laser blue shoelaces hitting up against the tongue here. This is actually a dope feature on the tongue. I know the Monster had a similar tongue also on it, but this purple or pink, it really pops up against the shoe. As you see, it has a number 0 there. That was for one of the Monstars in Space Jam. As you guys understand, or as you guys should know, this is a Space Jam shoe. So going up the tongue further, it turns into like a reptile lizard kind of feel here on the upper part of the tongue. To represent Mr. Swackhammer, who, if you've seen the movie Space Jam, I'll throw a picture up of him somewhere around here. He was kind of a reptile because they were the Monstars. And go ahead and take out the shoe tree, basic cardboard shoe tree. But what you see inside is, wow, this is dope. Yo, inside this shoe is fire. Kind of upside down. So again, you look right inside the shoe. Go ahead and focus. Camera can go ahead and focus in there. You'll see the Space Jam information. Mentioned earlier, this is definitely a Space Jam shoe. As we all know, LeBron James is currently in the process of creating Space Jam 2. I know they shot a lot of it last offseason. I think they might have a little bit more to shoot this current offseason. And if I remember correctly, the movie's supposed to release in 2021. So of all the Space Jam movies, where do you rate Mr. Swackhammer LeBron 17s as far as all your favorite shoes based around the movie Space Jam? Is it in your top 2? Is it in your top 3? I think personally, just in hand, it could be me because I'm looking right at it and it's a new shoe and it's real, it's fire. Like, this shoe is hella clean. Do you plan on going to see Space Jam 2? If so, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know how you feel about the LeBron James 17 Mr. Swackhammer in the comments below. Is it fire? Is it trash? Let your boy know. Again, don't forget, go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram, which is down here below in the description. Also, don't forget, again, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. For the LeBron 17 Mr. Swackhammer, you got your boy the Outsole. Always remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.